sleepiest cupcake.
The sleepiest cupcake. Izzy Bear and the sleepiest cupcake. Is it good? There's a smile. Yay! There you go.
Oh boy.
I'm so tired.
It's your happy birthday cupcake.
It's gonna be so sticky.
Yes, she will. Happy birthday cupcake. You seem to like it though. That's good. Oh. What? It's a bird. It's a cupcake. What's she pointing at? You see the light?
Oh, she dropped her. Is that what you're doing?
Oh no.
That's your arm, baby.
So tired.
Get it?
There you go.
Do you like the man?